Now I'll show you how to add a contact page. So it will use a different template than our standard page because it will have a message form. So go to online store pages and click on add page. Now add title, contact us. And obviously you can add a short paragraph. I like to add even just like 1 or 2 sentences to contact us page. I don't like to leave it blank. So you can add something like, if you have any questions, please email us at your email address or use the contact form below. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. It's much more user-friendly introduction and kind of tells people to take action, which improves the conversion rate. You can further obviously optimize your Google snippet, so meta title, meta description, URL if you need it. However, with contact us page it's pretty straightforward and it's done for you. And now the most important bit under template. Remember to pick page contact template because it will show the message form automatically. Now simply click save and view this page in your store. As you can see, contact us page has got a message form so people can contact you via the website and obviously this short text at the top.